Hello everyone. Now let's check out the exercise of chapter number 3. Read these words aloud. Genius, telecast, stadium, autograph. First, do you like cricket? Answer: yes, I love cricket. It is a very exciting game. Second number, have you ever not been able to do something you really want to do it? Tell in the class about it. Yes, I couldn't go for the class picnic, as I was down with fever. I still remember how I want to join with my friends and teachers at the water park. I got up in the morning and cried for the whole day. In the evening, my friends have a surprise and visited me with chocolates and get well soon cards. Third number, what do you think Raju's friend told Raju when he showed him Sachin's autograph? Answer: Raju's friends would have told him that he was lucky to have fractured his leg as he got an opportunity to meet Sachin. Now MCQs. First, why was Raju upset? Answer is C. He had fractured his leg and he could not go to watch the test match. Second number, why were Raju's mother and the nurse tongue tied? Answer is C. They were so excited that they could not speak. Third number, pick the words that describe Sachin best. Answer is friendly, good sportsman, smart. Now read and answer. First, how did Rajan console Raju? Answer: Rajan brought popcorn and chocolate cake for Raju. He also promised him that he would try to get Sachin's autograph for him. Second number, why could Rajan not get Sachin's autograph? Answer: Rajan could not get Sachin's autograph because he fell while trying to catch the ball and injured himself. This was the reason that Raju could not meet Sachin and take his autograph after the match. Third number, who was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital? Answer: Sachin was the man standing behind Raju at the hospital. Now think and answer. First, what was worse for Raju, having a fractured or not being able to see the match live? Answer: not being able to watch the match live was worse for Raju. Second number, do you have an autograph book? Whose autographs do you have in it? Answer: yes, I have an autograph book. I have autographs of some of my teachers, friends, and television personalities. Third number, why did Raju talk about Sachin proudly? Answer: Raju talked about Sachin proudly because Sachin was his favorite hero. Fourth number, if you had been in Raju's place, what would you do? What would you have done on seeing Sachin? Answer: I would have become speechless on seeing Sachin, or I would have first screamed out of joy and excitement. Fifth number, who is a hero according to you? Discuss in class. Answer: Raju is a hero according to me because in this story Raju could meet Sachin and he also got autograph of Sachin. Now reference to context. Will you give me your autograph? A number, who said this and to whom? Answer: this was said by Raju to Sachin. B number, why did the speaker want the autograph? Answer: otherwise Raju's friend at school would not have believed when he would have told them that he met Sachin. C number. Where were these words spoken? Answer. These words were spoken at the hospital. D number. What happened next? Answer. When the plaster was removed from his leg, Raju hung it up in his room and looked at it every morning before going to school. So dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. This is your homework, okay?